Welcome to this week's Torah lesson. This week's Torah portion is Parsha's Vayishlach. The question of the week is there another reality? So in this week's Torah portion, we learn about Yaakov going back home. And he's going to meet his brother Esau, who we know wants to kill him. So Yaakov goes ahead and he sends presents to his brother. He sends animals, and he also sends non-kosher animals. So the question is, if your brother's trying to kill you, why are you sending him presents? And also, why are you sending him non-kosher animals? So the Rebbe explains something very powerful, and he says as follows. There's Yaakov and Esau in this world, and then there's Yaakov and Esau in a different reality, in their source. Yaakov and Esau in their source, Esau happens to be from a much higher source. And the spiritual name it's called, and the godly name it's called, the world of Tohu, which is very, very powerful, a very, very high level. Yaakov knew that. So even though in this world it might look like Esau's trying to kill him, but the reality is Yaakov wants to get close to Esau, because Esau represents something very powerful and very, very godly and very, very holy. So in order for him to interact with Esau, he had to send him presents. And he sent him a lot of presents, so that he can possibly transform and get some of that powerful energy from the world of Tohu. And that's why he was able to send them non-kosher animals. Because in the world of Tohu, where it's so powerful, kosher and non-kosher, it's all the same. So the answer to the question, is there another reality? And the answer is absolutely there's another reality. And that's why when we see things that don't necessarily look like something we agree with, we understand, guess what? There's another reality, and from a different perspective, it might be perfect and it might be amazing. Thanks so much for joining us for our weekly Torah lesson. This week's Torah lesson is dedicated to the memory of Baruch ben Aryeh Leib, Shlomo ben Yosef, and Rachel bas Lipa. May their souls be elevated by the Torah we're studying in their memory. For more information, please see our website, Chabad, swf.org. Have a great and blessed week. Shavua Tov.